always feel weird vlogging like this. I kind of want to get a smaller. See about getting a M50 when I get a chance. It'll be a lot smaller package. But essentially, it's Saturday the what's today? 6th maybe? Come on. No, it's the 5th. Still the 5th. So originally I was going to go downtown, take some photos, but I didn't get a chance to do that because I was doing other stuff. And I figure I have like an hour of light left, and there is some construction kind of going on near where I'm at. So I figure I just take this little quick setup that I have here and go out there and see if I can grab some photos for photos, but also for some reference pictures for painting. So that's what I'm doing. So you can kind of see it. Maybe there's some construction going on, like right here. There's actually some more going on over this way. So it's fairly within walking distance. Hopefully the construction people aren't there. Depending which site you go to and where we're at. Usually if you go there on the weekend, like Saturday or Sunday, sometimes they're not there, sometimes they are. It just depends how big the project is. But I'm hoping they're not there, so I can actually snag some photos, like kind of walk around a little bit, because it's kind of like in the apartment complex, but like one of them's on the edge. I think a whole another one's there too. But the only thing is, if you're downtown, you have sidewalks to walk on. Here, you just kind of got the road to deal with. So let's see if I can do this. So crossing the road took a little bit longer because it's like a T intersection, but there's a stop sign on this part, but not the other part. So what I've been doing, I have this 10-18. I have the variable ND filter on it, but a lot of times I've been using this for like vlogging, and then have my 18-135 kit lens and have that do most of the photography. Now if there's something wide I need to get, this, and if I want to shoot kind of close up shots, I'll use the other lens. I mean, I have a 24 and a 50 prime, but like when I do something like this, I kind of want to go light. So the camera, the two lenses, like I got like a Manfrotto Pixie Evo tripod, and the what is it? The Rode Video Mic Micro. It's like the $60 like plug and play where you don't need like a battery in it. That's why I was kind of thinking about getting the the M50 would be even smaller. If I did that, I could have that for vlogging, and then keep this one for photos, so I can kind of go in between the two. Then again, you're carrying more that way too. But where are we at here? Lighten that up a bit. I don't know, I like this. I'm still super socially anxious about like vlogging. So I contemplated getting a GoPro so I can just vlog with a GoPro, just like a little tiny thing. And plus you can go, like, you can like vlog indoors with that without really any issue. But yeah. So as we see here, got this little section here, and there's a little section like over here as well. And I'm gonna go around, try to grab some photos. Alright. So, as you can tell here, hopefully, I went to the other one over, like kind of that way. They still had it was like a whole series of apartments being built. There's like still people there. And this one just looks like this is like an add-on. These look like they're just an add-on to like essentially all of these that are already here. I mean, this is maybe like 2 years old, something like that. So, I mean, this is fairly small, but I figure I might walk around and be able to get some shots. But like with downtown, it's if you're just walking on the sidewalks, it's a lot easier to grab shots even if there are people there. But around here it's kind of like it's not really any foot traffic, so it'd be kind of weird for me to kind of start walking around over there. I don't know if they were working till dark or they were getting ready to leave or whatever. I might walk over that way. Who knows? But I got the sun setting this way, so I need to try to get shots of like, say that's 0. So I want to get 0 to 90 or 0 to like 270. Where like there's some stark kind of like perpendicular lines to create like shadows and dramatic effects and like dramatic lines for the paintings and stuff. So, because here's the because these are the ones where I'm at. And right there is like the water towers, and like they're building like apartment complexes like around the bottom of those water towers. But yeah, I just kind of grasp a shot. I was hoping to walk all the way around, but it seems to be I can't. Well, maybe I'll grasp some shots like this. I mean, there's not a ton here, but it's still. I've been experimenting, like shooting like scenes that have like plywood and paint on like a plywood surface and try to leave that exposed, so when I have the painting finished, it'll be a complete painting except for the plywood parts that are still plywood. I haven't completed one yet, but it's something I've started on, so I'm gonna grab some more shots. Kinda gotta take a piss too. Maybe I can walk behind. I've been drinking like tons of water. Maybe I can walk behind here because the road, the highway is like right here. So maybe I can sneak in back behind there and take a piss and none of these people see it. We'll see. Then plus I gotta like between like actually taking shots and doing this vlog stuff here, I've had to change lenses, which is a little annoying, but nah, whatever. I kind of got tired of switching in between the the wide and the normal, so I'm just doing it. I'm like holding the lens, so I mean you can still see it. So like no tripod, no wide angle, just like the normal one with the microphone on there. So although it is definitely harder to hold it all the way out like this, so I may start doing this when I get tired of like switching in between. So I mean also the light's low enough where I don't have to use the variable ND filter, because that can kind of mess up your image just a touch, but it's better than it not being exposed. So I was trying to get some shots of like this here, so yeah, I got some shots. I've probably shown them already, or or I will show them. I don't know. We'll see. It's still very awkward to walk around pointing the camera at yourself. So I may try to grab a few more shots and then walk back home. So I mean, I think the sun's technically set. Well, there's probably like 4 minutes before the sun technically sets. But a lot of the light's gone. It's like, actually I think it's past golden hour. It's getting into, as you can probably see, getting into blue hour. So, alright. Yeah, I'm thinking if I want to even go super lightweight, just like the camera and the microphone, I might even try, I mean, I have like a zoom and a lav mic, so I don't even need that on top. But like recording audio, then syncing it and all that stuff is kind of, can be a little pain in the ass. But this is what I was talking about earlier. Come on, focus. What are you doing? Got the sun setting and all that good. I think I got a cool shot of the power lines. I've been doing a lot of power lines and sunset type things. Actually, that was whatever. But here's all that. There's a little spot. But I mean, it's a little heavy. That's what I'm saying. Like the M50, the kit lens on it's like starts at 15, so I could technically pull this off. But I was kind of wanting like a wireless, like lav mic, so I can just have the little thing on top where it's not in the way when I'm taking photos, or just do zoom with the lav mic on me, then like sync it and post. So I can have like just the camera, so I can like do photo. And when I do video, I can like switch in between a lot quicker. And then plus I'm not running around with a shotgun mic on top. So it looks like I'm just taking photos instead of doing photo and video. So I can like sneak around and get places a lot easier. Being like a little bit more inconspicuous. A smaller camera would help with that too. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna head back now. So, maybe I've shown the photos yet. If not, I'll do it now. But if you like this, you can subscribe. If you like the video, you could like the video. This is getting heavy. You didn't, put a comment asking, saying, telling why, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Peace. There we go. There we go.